Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report income from a Decedent'S estates on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. The first step will be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your estate income statements, including your Schedule K1. Next, you're going to sign into your Turbotax account. So go ahead and sign into Turbotax website using your email address and your password. And once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your estate income for. And next, you're going to choose income and then select estate income as your income type. Once that's done, you're going to enter your total estate income, including any dividends, interest, and capital gains. Once you have that done, your next step will be to claim any related deductions, such as estate expenses or charitable donations. And the final step is going to be to review your estate income report, just to make sure that everything is as it should be. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a Decedent'S estates on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.